If you've ever uploaded a YouTube short and at the end of it, you thought that, oh wow, this video might be the fastest way for me to grow my channel, guys, you're not alone, because thousands of small YouTubers across the world has fallen for that same thought. Truth is, shorts, like short form videos, feels like magic. Yes, you upload a 15 seconds clip and you get thousands of views overnight, sometimes even millions, and you think that you have already cracked the YouTube code and algorithm. But then something strange happens. Your channel will suddenly stop growing, your long form videos will flop, and the subscribers you even gain from those shorts, they don't even watch your content. They are not interested in your long form videos. And not only that, your average views will start dropping. And suddenly you are sitting down there asking yourself, why am I even working so hard and still getting nowhere? Guys, today, I want to expose that harsh truth. And I don't say this lightly. Yes, your channel is having low views because of short form videos. And I'm not just saying this as a theory. I'm not telling you to stop uploading shorts. No. I've been on this platform for some times now, and I've seen channels rise and fall. I've made the same mistake myself, and I've watched, sometimes I stay up late watching, my analytics, trying to figure out what is the problem. You understand? Trying to figure out why a video that should have worked died the moment I hit publish. Guys, I've learned that short form videos, if not used correctly, it can be the silent killer of our channels, especially for small YouTubers. So this video is going to be long, deep, and detailed, because I want to walk you through everything from my short feels, like a short course, to how they trap your analytics. You understand? Even to the step-by-step plan you can use in order to recover your channel and actually grow. So whether you're a small YouTuber just starting out, or you've been at it for years with nothing to show for it, guys, I promise you this. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what's happening with your channel, and you will know what to do and how to fix it. So let's start with the big question, which is what? Why do short form videos seem like the magic pill for small YouTubers? Now, when YouTube first introduced shorts around the year 2020 to 2021, guys, they exploded. TikTok was dominating the world. Instagram Reels was also picking up, and YouTube wanted a slice of that pie. So shorts were promoted aggressively. So if you've uploaded one, you could wake up to 10,000, 50,000, or even 1 million views during that period overnight. That is for small creators who had been stalked at 100 views for months. So this feels like a dream come true for some people during that period. And suddenly, you were gaining subscribers like crazy. People were commenting, liking, sharing. It feels like your time had come. That was the thought of some people here. But here is the problem. The shorts audience is not the same as the long form audience. When someone watches a 15 seconds video, they are not deeply interested in you. They are just scrolling, and that is one thing you should know. They didn't choose to watch you. They stumble on a quick dopamine hit, and tomorrow they might not even remember you. Compare that with someone who sits down and watches your 15 minutes video. That person has already invested his or her time and data. They have listened to your voice, your ideas, your storytelling. They are much more likely to come back. And here is what the trap begins. So when you build an audience mostly from short form videos, YouTube gets confused about your content. The algorithm looks at your new subscribers and say, oh, these people like shorts. So when you upload a long form videos, YouTube shows it to them. But because they came for quick, hits, they don't click on that your long form videos. Or worse, they click and watch for maybe 10 seconds and off they go. And trust me, that destroys your retention. It destroys it very, very well. Now, let me pause here and explain something important. Guys, YouTube algorithm doesn't care about your views. It cares about satisfaction and retention. You understand? So if people click and watch for a long time, YouTube promotes your videos more. So if they click and drop off, YouTube buries it immediately. This is why your long videos are flopping after short success. So your retention is being silently killed by the mismatch between your short audience and your long form audience. Now, I want you to give, I want to give you guys a real example. Now, a friend of mine ran a gaming channel or is running a gaming channel, and for months he uploaded gameplay tutorials. They did okay. Yes, those videos did okay, around 500 views per video. Then he tried short, and boom, one shot got up to, I think, 300 views. His subscribers skyrocketed from having a 1,000 subscribers to 12,000 under 2 days. And this guy was over the moon. But when he uploaded his next 20 minutes tutorial, it got only 200 views, less than before. Why? That is because the short audience didn't care about his tutorial. They just wanted quick, funny clip. His retention tanked and flopped, and his click-through rate died instantly. Within a month, his channel had flatlined. God. And this isn't just one story. This is happening across niches, fitness channels, even motivational channels and educational channels. Shorts are like fast food. They fill you up quickly, but they don't build real strength. Now, let's talk about your audience psychology. People who consume shorts are in a completely different mindset than people who consume long form content. Now, when you are scrolling through shorts, you are not committed, you are bored, waiting in line, or lying in bed. You just want quick hits of entertainment. And when you watch those long form videos, you are committed. You want depth. You want to learn and you want to immerse. So if you bring short viewers into your channel, you are basically inviting fast food eaters to a 5-course dinner. This might sound funny, right? They won't stay. These people don't care about your long form videos at all. They will definitely leave, and the YouTube algorithm will notice this instantly. You understand? Now, another hidden fact and trap is your RPN, which is your revenue per 1,000 views. Mind you that short form videos don't make real money. If you concentrate more on short form videos, you are not going to earn more money. You understand? YouTube has a short fund and some ad revenue sharing, but the payouts are tiny compared to when you build your channel with long form videos. Now, a million view on short video might give you just $20, and a million view on your long form videos could give you $2,000 to $3,000, or even still $5,000. You understand? Depending on your niche. I don't know. So if your dream is to turn your YouTube into a career, short form videos won't get you anywhere. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so should I stop posting short form videos completely? That is not necessary, okay? Short form videos can be powerful, but only if you use them strategically. Right? So if your short form videos channel or funnel people into your long form videos, then they can actually help. For example, if you run a cooking channel, you can upload a 30-second shot of cooking onions without crying, yes, and then direct viewers to your full recipe video. That way, shorts act as the hook and long form delivers the depth. But here is the mistake most small YouTubers make it. They upload random shots with no connection to their long videos, and they chase virality instead of that strategy. So they blow up with sometimes memes, funny clips, or trends, and then they wonder why nobody watches their actual content. Let's look at analytics for a moment. Now, if you open your YouTube studio and go to the audience tab, you're going to see something called subscribers who watch. You understand? Who watch your videos for short, heavy channels. So that number is shockingly low when you look at it very, very well. So you might have maybe 10,000 subscribers, but only 200 out of them actually watches your upload. That is why your videos are dying. And it's not that your content is bad. It's not as if you don't know what you're doing. It's because your subscribers are ghost subscribers. That is what we call ghost subscribers. And those ghost subscribers are those you got from your short form videos. They are not your real fans. They are not. So That is just that. Now, I also want you to know that retention graph tells the same story. Now, in short, heavy channels, long-form videos often have a sharp drop within the first 30 seconds. And that will automatically tell YouTube that people aren't satisfied. Like, they shouldn't even bother to recommend that your video. So, on the flip side, creators who focus on long-form videos see smoother curves. So if you have fewer subs, their views per video are higher because their audience is truly engaged. So what do you do if shorts are killing your channel? Here is the recovery plan, which I'm going to share with you now. Step number 1 you should look out is to what? Stop mixing shorts and long-form videos randomly. Either separate them into different channels or upload shorts only if they directly connect to your main account. Some person focus their attention on shorts while some build on long form videos. So whichever one that works for you. Now, step 2 is for what? Fix your retention. The first 30 seconds of your long form videos must hook your viewers. No slow intros, no rambling, just go straight to the point. Then step number 3 is what? Focus on consistency. Upload at least once a week. Long form videos, high value content. Short should be a bonus, not the main dish. Then step number 4 is what? Build an avatar of your audience. Who are you making videos for? Stop chasing random trends. Go ahead and create videos for your people. Create for people, not for you. Now, step number 5 is what? Learn to tell stories in your videos. Whether it is tutorial, vlog, or commentary, storytelling is what keeps people watching. And that is it. Now, let me be very clear. I'm not anti-shorts. Don't come after me. I'm not. Shorts are here to stay, and there is nothing I or anyone can do. They are powerful tools, but they are they are discovery tools, not a growth strategy. So you need to use them to get attention, but then build depth with your long form videos. That is how you can win in this place. So I've been on this platform for some time now, for some years now. You understand? I'm not a guru, I'm not perfect, but then I've seen it all. Channels that grow fast and die fast. You understand? Channels that there are some channels that took at least like 5 years before they could hit their first 10,000 subscribers. But now, they pull millions of views monthly. So the difference is always the same. Depth beats speed. Underline that. Depth, they say, beats speed. And I want you to hear me on this. Don't let short form videos trick you into believing you are growing when you are not. So growth isn't about numbers on your subscriber count. Growth is about building a real community that shows up. You understand? That shows up at your videos after videos. Those people that after watching your first video, they go ahead to watch the next one. Okay? So that is it. So here's my all I have to say about this. So if you're serious about growing your channel, stop chasing that empty views. Stop relying on shorts for validation. Build long-form content that people can't stop watching. Tell stories, deliver value, make videos that you yourself would binge watch. And most importantly, commit. YouTube is not a sprint, it's a marathon. You understand? And the algorithm rewards patience, consistency, and depth. So if you are here to make quick money, sorry. Oyo is your name. You know what is Oyo? Oyo is your name. You understand? Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now, because every week I break down real strategies that actually work, not gimmicks, no hacks, but proven methods from my experiences so far. So if you're tired of your low views, if you're ready to finally grow, then join me. Together we'll build channels that don't just go viral, but channels that last. Remember, viral is temporal. Viral is what? Temporal, but value is forever. Thank you very much to my returning subscribers. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, I say a very big thank you. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button, like this video, share it so that other persons who are also having the same issues can get to see this video and work on their channels as well. Then if you think that short form videos is working for you, you can as well go down to the comment section and tell us, what or how it has been of help to your channel. But if it has not been of any impact to your channel, still go under the comment section, share your experiences with us. You understand? A lot of us are here to learn, so don't hold your own strategy. I'm also still learning. Likewise, every other person is here. So share your ideas, share your strategies. Let us keep growing.